Hello, Matthew Tim here from LearnJoomlaFast.com, where we teach how to create professional websites without being a professional coder with Joomla. Listen, I have a brand new masterclass for SP Pagebuilder, this revolutionary extension that I've been using for so many years. Matter of fact, when I learned how to use Pagebuilder when it was first released, I never had to pay for anyone to create websites for me. So if you're serious about creating high quality professional websites that look great, that are responsive and easy to navigate, then you want to sign up for this course. And by the way, this course is going to be absolutely free. That is right, there's no fees to sign up for this course. You are going to learn step by step the methods and the techniques that I've used to build websites in record time using SP Pagebuilder. But in order for you to make the best of this course, here's what I need you to do. I need you to go over to joomshaper.com and click on the pricing tab. You are going to sign up and choose the package that you want. These prices are extremely low. And by the way, you pay for 1 year of support and update. That's incredible. 1 year. It's not a monthly fee. It's not an every other month fee. But for as little as $49 with your 20% discount off, that is going to be a lot cheaper based on the package that you choose here. So once you've signed up for this, then you want to log into your dashboard. And your dashboard is going to look something like this. So you want to click where it says download for the SP Pagebuilder Pro. So once you click on the download, you're going to notice here this is the latest version 3.29. It was last updated on August 30th, 2018. That is a great sign because I've been to so many developers' websites that they don't update the extension often, but this one was updated just a few days ago and it has over 204,000 downloads and counting. So you have the SP Pagebuilder 3, which is what we're going to be using for this course. And if you click on the change log, it's going to show you all the things that have been updated, the latest features, and I am going to cover everyone step by step so you can learn how to build incredible and amazing websites. So make sure that you go to joomshaper.com and get this extension right now. Don't wait till next week, the week after, because this is a limited time that you're going to get 20% off the already low prices. So make sure that you sign up for it because this course, it is going to completely change the way that you create websites from scratch without being a coder.